Boom. White gel polish, which you see on my nails. Bam. Black acrylic paint, which I'm going to be using to do my own cow print design. So I never did this design before. I was looking on YouTube last night, looking at a bunch of videos, trying to figure out how I want my hands to look. And I was indecisive. I seen a whole lot of prints. I was like, I think I'm looking like just a ratchet, okay, as everybody say. But I don't care because I like what I like. So I'm just playing around. So I was like, let me go ahead and do this design. So what helped me out was actually pulling up a picture of a cow, looking at the print visually, and just applying it to my nail. That's how I did it. I wish I could explain, but I can't. I'm a visual learner, you know? So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that this video is visually helpful for you if you are a visual learner as well. And hit that like button if it is helpful or if you just enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Share this video on your social media platforms if you can. It will help me out so much. But I'm gonna hush it up now and let you continue watching. And with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.